Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast, Basic English Conversation Practice. My name is Anna, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
Hi, everyone. I'm John. Thank you for joining us. This podcast is designed especially for English learners who want to practice simple, natural, and useful conversations in everyday situations.
That's right, John. In this episode, we will focus on basic English conversations that you can actually use in real life. No difficult grammar, no complicated words, just clear and simple English.
We know that many learners feel nervous when speaking English. Maybe you understand English, but when it's time to speak, you feel shy or afraid of making mistakes.
And that's completely normal. Making mistakes is part of learning. In this podcast, we want you to feel comfortable, relaxed, and confident while listening and practicing.
Today's episode is divided into several segments. In each segment, you will hear a conversation between two people. The conversations are slow, clear, and easy to follow.
You can listen first, then repeat after the speakers. You can also pause the podcast and practice speaking out loud.
We recommend listening to this episode more than once. Repetition will help you remember the words, improve your pronunciation, and build confidence.
So, find a quiet place, take a deep breath, and get ready to practice English with us.
All right, let's begin with our first conversation. Hi, excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's not. You can sit here.
Thank you. My name's Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. I take this bus every morning to work.
Oh, really? I also take this bus to work. Where do you work?
I work at a small office near the city center. How about you?
I work at a coffee shop. I'm a barista.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like making coffee and talking to customers. It can be busy, but it's fun.
That's nice. I work with computers all day, so it's a little boring sometimes.
I understand. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live about 10 minutes away from this bus stop.
Me too. I just moved here last month.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. People here seem very friendly.
Yes, they are. Have you found a favorite place yet? Maybe a restaurant or cafe?
Not yet, but I'm still exploring.
You should try the cafe near the park. The coffee is great.
That's good to know. I'll check it out.
Here comes the bus.
Great. It was nice talking to you, Lisa.
Nice talking to you too, Tom.
Hi, David. How was your day?
Hi, Emma. It was pretty good. How about yours?
It was busy, but okay. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning on weekdays.
That's early. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I drink coffee.
That sounds healthy. I usually skip breakfast.
Really? Why?
I don't have much time in the morning. I wake up late.
I see. What time do you go to work?
I leave my house at 8:30.
Do you drive or take public transportation?
I take the train. It's faster.
After work, what do you usually do?
I go home, have dinner, and watch TV.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes I go for a walk in the evening.
That's good. I try to exercise 3 times a week.
That's great. What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30. How about you?
Usually after 11.
You should try to sleep earlier.
You're right. I'll try.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
What size are you looking for?
Medium, please.
Here are some blue shirts in medium.
Thank you. How much is this one?
That one is $20.
Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 10% off today.
Great. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you. I like it. I'll take it.
Great choice. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Great. What would you like to have today?
I'd like a chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like it grilled or fried?
Grilled, please.
All right. Would you like fries or salad with that?
Fries, please.
Okay. What size would you like? Small or large?
Small is fine.
Sure. And what would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Would you like ice in your water?
Yes, please.
Anything else? Maybe dessert or soup?
No, that's all. Thank you.
All right. So that's one grilled chicken sandwich with small fries and a glass of water.
Yes, that's correct.
Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your meal.
Great job, everyone. You've just listened to several basic English conversations.
Yes, and we hope these examples help you feel more confident when speaking English in daily life.
Remember, the key to learning English is practice. Don't be afraid to speak, even if your English is not perfect.
Try to repeat the conversations, change the words, and create your own sentences.
You can practice at home, on the way to work, or even in front of a mirror.
Thank you so much for listening to Basic English Conversation Practice.
We'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing and keep improving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.
Bye for now and happy learning.